welcome to my video. I'm here if you are ready for the CAT exam. 99% of aspirants think like 6 months is too short for CAT. But if I tell you you can crack it and even score 99 plus percentile with the right strategy. In this video, I will give you a step by step proven 6-month plan that can take you from zero to IIM calls. No matter whether you are a beginner, a working professional, or a student, watch till the end for a special bonus tip. Okay, guys, so let's get started. And before that, if you are serious about cat, hit that like button and subscribe for more such video because your every comment and your every subscription and like will motivate me for such content. Okay, so let's get started. How to crack cat in 6 months. Welcome to the ultimate cat preparation guide. Goal is like a crack cat in just 6 months within strategic study plan. And who this is for, I already told you it's for like beginner or working professional, anyone or like aspirant or repeated person who are like repeating the exam, but this time sure shot you will crack. Okay, so understanding the CAT exam. It is conducted by IIM sections. I have already discussed my earlier video, which is like VRC, DILR, and QA, and scoring and percentile system. Competition is like 2.5L plus aspirant every year. Okay, so just think that how many students are going to take this exam. Okay, now coming to 6 month strategy plan overview. First 2 months basic and concept building. Then next 2 month intensive practice and mock test, and last 2 month will be full length mock and revision. Okay, guys. So for like first 1 2 month, what we will do, we'll focus on strong foundation. Okay, then daily study. We must study for 3 to 4 hour minimum. And for VRC, like we have to be focused on our English. So we have to read newspaper, editorial like the Hindu and Aeons, ACEs, DILR for we can solve puzzles, and for QA we must practice question. Without practicing, nothing will work, and we have to learn formulas also. And weekly practice will give one mock every week. Study plan for next 3 to 4 months will speed and accuracy. Will focus on speed and accuracy. Like our speed is must, because like in accurate time we have to like answer the question, and our accuracy should be there with like if we like solve the question but the answer is not accurate, so we have to focus on both. Okay, and next when we are going for a 3 to 4 months, we have to like increase our daily study time. It would be for 4 to 5 hours. And again for like VRC, DLR, and QA, we have to like reading speed drill, RC practice, and for DLR solve sectional mocks. We have to solve some sectional mocks also. And for QA, like speed math, daily practice questions. These are the things which we have to do. And earlier we were like for weekly we are giving one mock, but now onwards we will give two mock test. Okay. Then after 5 to 6 months, this is the crucial time. Okay, so exam simulation and revision, so we'll give more time as compared to 4 to 5 months. We'll give 5 to 6 hour, and again we will study, but it is in a different manner. We will go through RC technique, but we will solve the previous year paper also, and we will solve advanced puzzle and we'll revise our formula and mixed practice set. Mixed practice set is nothing but like we will solve all the questions. Like if in a maths we are having, or in a aptitude we are having multiple chapters, so we'll solve combinedly. We will mix that every chapters and we will try to solve combinedly. And now we will practice, like give a 3 plus full length mock. Now it's very, like the time is very crucial, and exam is exam is near only, so we'll go for the like full mock, and we'll try to give at least 3 mock. After that, most important cat topics. So these are the topics over there I have already discussed in my earlier video. Now also you can take the screenshot of each and every subject. So these are the topic for quant, DILR and VARC. Okay, now coming to the resources, best resources and books. So if we are having in our hand a right book with a right strategy, and like just focused and less time, not even like too much videos and too much like getting from YouTube's, okay, do this, that, we are just in a short interval of time we gathered everything and we starting our preparation, then that would be a great idea. So these are the book which is for quant, it is Arun Sharma and Sarvesh Verma. For VRs it is Norman Lewis, and GMAT RC. For DILR it is Nishit Sinha and Arun Sharma. And online platform is like Unacademy, Krakow, iQuanta, IIMs. There are multiple online platform where you can also select for your exam. Okay, common mistake to avoid now. Then this is the most important thing, and this is like people used to avoid all those things. That's why I have made this. I have kept this in the PPT. Okay, so first is like skipping mock. Skipping mock is the worst thing one can do, because if we'll not give the mock, will not understand that okay, what is our weak point, what is our strong point, where to work, where to not. So we should give mock. Analyze our performance after each test. Not managing time. If we're not managing time properly, that is also a failure. So practice under time constraints, ignoring weak area, work on them regularly. Like if some subjects or like some topics is very weaker section for me, and we are ignoring it. But every time ignoring is not a good solution. If you are hating that topic, then it's okay. But if you are feeling like okay, it is very big, but you can give time, then just give it time, give it a time, give it a try. You will surely get the topic. Okay, and memorizing instead of understanding concept, focus on concept. This is the, from all those things, this is what, yeah, from all this topic, the common mistake, this is the biggest mistake which should not be done. Okay, so we are like memorizing and we thought that like okay, the same way the question will come and the digit will be like changed, so we can solve. But it is not like that. We can't expect that the question, whatever the question we have solved, that kind of question only come, or the digit changes. It won't like that. It can be any type, but if we understand the concept, we can solve any type of question. So must focus on that. Final 1 month strategy. Full length mock test and last minute revision. Attempt one mock daily. Analyze mistake. Revision formula, shortcut and tricks. Focus on speed and accuracy, and stay mentally prepared for exam day. Okay, guys. So, because this is the last month, so we have to give, now all our syllabus have been completed within the 6 months. So we have to give mock daily. Then only our revision will be going on in hand to hand. And also we have to just turn on the copy pages and just try to revise. Not try, we have to revise, and we have to give daily. So you can see that earlier when I was starting, I was like preparing for the initial stage, I was taking the mock for 1 day. Now again need the frequency for like 2 days, then frequency for three in a week. Now at last month we will give mock every day, each and every day. We will analyze. Okay, and mental preparation is also very important because this is a like half a year. So preparation mentally also you should be fit. You should be like, okay, I am giving the exam. Okay, so don't get like what should I say? Don't get confused or don't get into different things. You should at least hold one thing and go into it. Not giving much lecture. Let's go. Exam day tip. Read instruction carefully, manage time wisely, 60 minutes per section. Don't panic if stuck on a question. Believe in yourself and stay confident. I know that this last day's tips is not required as of now. It's a long journey, so we'll go through this 6 month and these tips we will surely coming on my coming videos. I will give or I will like post some notes or videos, but not it is not for right now. Okay, what next for the videos topic? Topic wise strategy, best way to prepare, mock test analyze how to improve percentile, daily routine for 99 percentile, CAT versus other MBA's exam, and how to get IIMs without CAT. So these are the topic where I'm going to make video. So tell me what are your confusion and on which topic you want me to make a video first. I will surely make a video on that, and if you want that for all topic I will make video, then I will surely make a video. And yeah, that's all for this video. One last thing of conclusion call to action is like start your CAT preparation today. Subscribe for more tips and tricks. Comment below if you have any doubt and you can crack CAT. Just be consistent and focused. I am telling to myself also that we can crack anything, but we must be consistent and focused. Not only get anything which you want in your life. Consistent is the key. That's all. I hope you like the video. See you on the next. Till then, start your preparation. Bye bye. Radhe Radhe.